In this video we will address cleaning the motorhome, perhaps before returning it or in general. Let's go! This is the dumping station in Keflavik and how that looks. Just drive over this hole and release your grey water. Grey water is the water that you use to brush your teeth and clean your dishes, etc. Our toilet cassettes can be cleaned in the sink that you see here on the right. You basically put the cassette into this sink kind of deal, then you use the hose to clean it from the inside. I'll show you the cassette in a second. Looking at the typical toilet, you can open this up and then you see that it's closed. You can use this lever to open up the toilet. Zooming in more closely, you can see how it opens and closes. Typically, these cassettes have like a lever underneath here that you pull up and then you can pull it out. So basically what happens is when you push this cassette back into the car, this hatch here will open. This is what you just saw from above. And on this right side you see this green thingy. That is basically the lever from the inside where you just opened and closed the toilet, like this. When you clean the toilet cassette, you would just open up this guy here, put the cassette into the sink that I showed you before in the video, and then open here and flush this out with the hose next to the sink so that you clean the inside of the cassette really well. This cap is basically the measuring cup for the chemicals that you put inside. You can put it back in the cassette and add 1 liter of water. Sometimes we also sell the sachets that you can basically just throw in there, and same procedure, 1 liter of water and you are ready to go. So let's put this back inside, close this hatch, put back the lid from underneath so that the arrows match, you see them here, and let's put it back in. On a typical gas station in Iceland you find these brushes to clean the car, not in Keflavik. Sometimes even at the gas stations you find these dumping stations. But normally every campsite has it. They also have fresh water, and this gas station offers a dumping, which is kind of rare, but I still wanted to show you that it exists. Here you can dump your waste water. To fill up your water tank, sometimes you can use the hoses from these brushes, but at the campsite you will find better hoses. And because Keflavik does not have the typical gas stations with the free cleaning brushes, I'm situated at Bílabadið, that translates to car bathtub. And I'm going to show you how you can clean your motorhome and camper here. You basically just drive in here. It's a bit narrow, so be careful. And then you can see the opening spots right there where you can drive inside with your motorhome. You see there is somebody cleaning his car in there. So you basically drive in here. There are these clamps to put the rubber mats, if that applies. There is tar remover and the typical system where you put 100 kroners inside. And if you don't have it, they are writing here that you can go to Ollie's to change your money or to get 100 kroner pieces. And there is a good instruction in English on how to use this with a brush and a high pressure washing. Yeah, so this is where you can clean your motorhome from the outside before returning it.